Okay, hello, this is Frank Ilo from AfriDezigns Studios. We are still continuing with our lectures on Revit architecture. Today, we shall be looking at how to do your floor, how to set your floor. If you look at this building, this is the 3D view. And if you look around this area, it is white, it is whitish, showing that this place is a hollow. There is no floor covering this, what my people used to call German floor. The German floor is not here, which the white man calls the DPC. So how do you put the DPC or German floor to your building when you are erecting in Revit? This drawing now is in 3D view. It is not wise, or it is not advisable for you to do it in the 3D view. You have to go to the floor plan, the ground floor plan, to do this, depending on the level where you want to put the floor. If you want to put it on the ground floor plan, you must go to ground floor plan. If you want to put it on your first floor plan, you must go to first floor plan. If you want to put it on second floor plan, you must go to second floor plan. So, but this one is a bungalow. We don't have any first floor here, so we go directly to ground floor level. So you come to project browser, then go to 02 ground floor level, double click on it, then it will bring you here. When it brings you here, the next thing you do is to go to architecture. Click on architecture. If it is not activated, click on it. Once it is activated, you look for floor. Here is floor. Click on floor. Once you click on floor, you go here under draw panel. You will see boundary line. Is either you select boundary line or you select pick walls, but I usually use boundary line. So I click on boundary line. Once I do that, I now come to the building. I start from the inner part of the wall, not the outside, so that when I finish putting the floor, it does not interfere with the external wall when I'm viewing it from the outside. So I do only the inner parts of the wall. I go around the building, and I conclude it here. When I conclude it here, I can now click finish. It will now ask me, would you like walls that go up? Blah 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 blah. I say no. It is already effected. But now there is one thing to change. If you look at this place where you have under your property, you will see generic floor 400 millimeters thick. The thickness of this floor I just did is 400 millimeters, but that should not be. I have to change it to 150 millimeters, but because that is the thickness of floors in Nigeria. I don't know about the white man's own, but I believe we are imitating them. So to change this 400 millimeters floor to 150 millimeters floor, I click on edit type, just the way you would change your wall thicknesses. That is how you are also going to change your floor thicknesses. I go to duplicate, click on duplicate. I come here, I change this, I make it 150 millimeters, 150 millimeters, and now say okay. After saying okay, I come to edit, click on edit. I come to under thickness and click and type 150 there. After typing 150, I come here and click OK. And OK again. Automatically, the 400 millimeters thickness floor changes to 150 millimeters thickness thick wall. So that is it here. If you look at this place, you see that it has changed. So you click outside and go to 3D view. You can see now that our building now has the German floor according to the Nigerian map. I don't know if that's what they call it outside Nigeria. I don't know why they give it German floor. So that is how to put the floor. That is their floor. After putting the floor, if you look at this building, we discover that this building does not have windows and doors. How do you put windows and doors on your building. Again, you have to go to ground floor level. If the windows and doors you want to put are to be on the ground floor, what it means is that you go to your project browser and click on ground floor level. If it is for first floor, you go to your project browser and click on first floor. If it is for your second floor, you go here and select second floor. So you should take note of that. If not, you will be putting your doors and windows on the wrong place. So I go back again to ground floor level, double click on it. When I double click on it, what do I do next? I come to build panel. This is called the build panel. This is the whole of this section. Starting from this line onto this line. Everything in between is the build panel. They are the tools you use to build. Now, if you look at it, you see wall, you see door, you see window. Now we are concerned with doors and windows. I want to put door. I click on the door. When I click on the door, if you look at this point, it will show you the kind of door that is there by default. But if you take a look at this door is not decorative, is not fanciful, is not beautiful as far as I'm concerned. It is just a plain door. So you may be the type that like beautiful doors or doors with design. You can change this to what you want. How do you do that? Instead of start clicking on your, because now as this is showing now, if you touch it on any wall, the door will appear. If you take it away from the wall, it will disappear. If you take it to the wall, it will appear, showing you that it is receptive to walls. But because I don't want this one, I'm not going to click anything on the wall. I have to come to load family to select a better design. For me to do that, I click now on load family. When I click on load family, the whole of this will come out. I now go to doors. I double click on doors. All the kind of doors I have here will appear. Now I scroll down to look for the door that I may use for this. Okay, I think I like this wall, this door. I click on this door. It will show me how the door looks like here. This is the door. And I love it. But the size of this door is not the size I want. The size, as you can see, is 762 millimeters by 232, 2.32 millimeters. I don't want that. I want to use the normal standard of door in Nigeria, 900 by 2100. So I have to do editing on this. Any door you pick can be edited to the size you want it. So for me to edit this, but when you are editing, make sure you duplicate so that the one that is there by default does not disappear. So I click on edit type. I click on duplicate. I give it the name I want to call it. I want to call this 900 by 2100. So I click OK. After doing that, I now come and change the height. 2100. The width 900. Then I click OK. So if you look at this place now, you see that it has affected. Now, where am I supposed to put them? This is a room. This is a room. And this is where the entrance should be. So I come here and position it here and click. The door will appear there. I come here to position it here and click. But this one is facing, is swinging to the right. I don't want it to swing to the right. I want it to swing to the left. Let it hit on this wall. So what do? You will see arrows here. This is one arrow. This is another arrow. I click on this arrow to go to the left. If I want it to go outside, I click on this very one. Take note, this one is a vertical arrow. This one is horizontal. If you want it to fall outside, click on the vertical one. If you want it to go sideways, click on the horizontal one. So if I want to go down, I click here to go out. Click back on it, it will still come back. If I want it to go right, I click on this, it will go right. Click on this, it will go left. Right, left. So that is about that. Then another place I need to put it is here. This is supposed to be dining, right? This should be dining. Where is it? It doesn't have dining. Okay, this is the dining. This is the kitchen. Okay. So which means I should have another door here. Exit door. Okay. That is a door. Then this is a room. This room, where should I put the door? I put the door here. Okay. I put the door here. Mind you, it is entering into the wall. If it enters into the wall, make sure you push it out. If not, they will warn you. So I click. You can see it is affecting the door. That is why this warning is coming out. So I have to correct it. Look at where the problem is. This one came out, this one went inside. So I click on modify, click on align, click on this very wall, this line, then click on this one. That's gone inside. So that is it. I still go back to door, architecture, door. Where again going to put door? I need to put door here. From the lobby to the kitchen, I put door here. I swing it to this other side. Where again going to put door? Okay. This one has one, this one has one, this one has one, this one has. So that is about it for the 900 millimeters doors. I have to create another door of the same material but different dimension. So I still come here. I click on edit type. I click on duplicate. I come here. I change the name. I call this one 750 by 2100. 750. This is for the toilet doors. So I come for the width here. I change the 900 to 750. And I say okay. So where are my toilets? This is one of the toilets. I come here. I click on this. But it is swinging the wrong way. I click on this to swing it to the right way. Then this automatically is swinging the right way, so there's no need of changing it. This is another toilet. It is swinging the right way, no need of changing it. This is another toilet. The door is here. Okay. Do I have any other small door? Okay, I have another one here for the store. This is for the store. So we are done with that very door. So we have to put the front door here. And the front door is not going to be any of this type of door. The front door is going to be a kind of double door. So what do? I go to build family again, click on build family. Then I go to door, click on door. Then I look for, this is asymmetric. I click on it once to show me how the door looks like. This is this door. So this is double door with one full door and half door. So I click open. So it will show me the print here, then I bring it here. This is that door. I click on it. That is my entrance door. So I think I'm done with all my doors. Then I press escape twice to end the command. The command is already ended. So I have to see the thing I've done, how it looks like on the building. I click on 3D view. So you can see all the doors I just put now, how they are looking on the building. So the next thing we have to do is to move to windows. I still go back to ground floor level. I go to window this time around, click on window. It will show me a kind of window that does not even look fine, that there is no single creativity in it. I don't want this, so I go to load family. I trace windows. I look for where there is windows. Windows. Okay, here is windows. I double click on it. It will show me different kind of windows. Okay. Now, these are called windows. If I click on this one, double click on it, it will show me some windows. Now let's say I want this very window. I click on it. This is the preview of that window. I click open. This is the preview. But I have to shape the size to be sure that it is the size I want. But the size I want is 1.2 by 1.2. I click on the inside. I scroll down to the dimension area. The width is 1,200. The height, the height is 1,350. This is not what I'm looking for. I want 1,002 by 1,002. So I have to duplicate this. Call it 1200 by 1200 millimeters. I click OK. When I click OK, I come to the height. Change the height to 1,200. The width is already 1,200, so I click OK. So if you look at this place, you will see that it has changed. So I come here and begin to click them. Another thing, when you want to click, make sure that the dimension, this blue dimension you are seeing, is falling outside. If it is falling inside, don't click. As it is inside now, don't click. Make it to come outside. When it is outside, that is when we click. If you click it when it is inside, your window will be facing inside. The back of the window will be facing the outside of the compound. It will be inside out. So just locate a wall, drop it on the wall and click. Locate a wall, drop it on the wall and click. Locate a wall and click. Locate a wall and click. After clicking on this, we are done with 1,200 windows. Okay, except one. Here is my dining. It's going to have the same thing, 1,200. After doing this, the next thing I have to do is to do my toilet windows. My toilet windows is not as big as this, so I have to modify this window to the size of my toilet window. What do I do? I go here. I first and foremost click escape once. Then before I come here, click edit type, duplicate. I call this one 600 by 600. That's my toilet. 600 by 600. So I click OK. I look for height and width. The height is 600. The width is 600. Then I click OK. Then the next thing I begin to look for where my toilets are located. This is toilets. So I position this one here. The dimension goes outside and I click. Dimension outside, I click. Dimension outside, I click. This is my store. The window should be inside. For example, it is conflicting with this beam. This beam is hitting it. So what do I do? I cancel it and click on this window and shift it from the beam by clicking on your arrow key on your keyboard, the right arrow key. Then I shift it away from the beam. So do you have any other place you have to put toilet window? Okay, here needs toilet window. So I go to window again, click on window. Then I come here, I position it and click. That is about toilet windows. Another window we have to create is the kitchen window. So I come here again and click on edit type, duplicate. This one is going to be 900 by 900. 900 by 900. I click OK. Then I go to dimensions and change dimensions. The height I'm going to make 900. The width I'm going to make 900. Then I click OK. Then I come to the window, what's it called, the kitchen. Click this one. I think that's the only one that has that size of window. So I press escape twice. In order for this wall that is here to increase it, I have to shift this window to the right. So I use align. Click on modify. Click on align, then I click on this line, then click on the edge of the window to shift it to the extreme. Then I press escape twice. So that is it. We are done with the windows. They are not like windows again. All the windows have been put in place. But then this place is supposed to be a beam. This beam will lead you from this lobby to this other lobby. So I have to split this wall. When I split this wall, I create an opening there. So I click on split elements. Click on split elements. I click at the middle here and split it. When I split it, I press escape twice to end the operation. I click on the wall and drag this one above to separate them. When I've separated them, now I use this very tool called the trim to corner. Click on this one. I have to click on this side and click on this other side. This other side. It goes. I click on this one. Click on this other side, not this side. Click on this side, it will give you wrong something. The side that you want to retain will be the place you have to click. Click on this one, it goes that way. So this place is now open. So you can access this lobby from here to these rooms. So I press escape twice to end the operation or the command. We are done with our windows and our wall and our doors. So how do they look like on the building? For us to see how they look like on the building, we have to click on the 3D view. Now these are our windows and our doors. And this is where we are going to end this class for today.